What could be more fun than making Matcha Baby Yoda boba? Incredibly easy and all natural. These Matcha Baby Yoda Tapioca Pearl are just in time for May the 4th be with you, or any Star Wars fun. Hello you, it's me, Rox of Rockstar Bakes. If you're new, my passion is helping you make sweet treats, because adults need cute things too. I start by making the tea so it can be ready and cool in time for the boba. I choose this one because it's subtle and complements the matcha boba. Milk tea would be so awesome with this too. I steep some cherry blossom tea according to the side of the box. Off camera, I added honey because I knew it was going to be a crazy mess on camera. I refrigerate until it's cold. Now it's time for making the Yoda boba. I'll include a link for the recipe details below. Let's get into it. For the recipe, incorporate the tapioca flour and firm tofu. The powdered sugar is there in the tapioca flour. I knead with my hands until the dough is completely smooth. The tofu I use is kind of crumbly, but that's fine. It's just because it's firm. If the mixture is too dry, add extra tofu until the dough comes together. This is what it looks like when it's just right. Then I split this. I'm gonna call it dough. To color, you'll need matcha and charcoal powder. Black cocoa powder would work too. I color the greater portion with matcha. Because matcha is something natural, it can vary. Just add until the desired shade is there. I go with this one. It's way darker when boiled. I mix until the color is evenly distributed. Mix, mix, mix. Then I add the charcoal powder to the smaller piece. I mix until the colors are evenly distributed. Again. Let's make the Mandalorian Baby Yoda's face. I use parchment paper to make all the faces on. Also, I lined a baking sheet for the Yodas to go on once they're formed. Make an oval out of the matcha dough. This is his head. Then I make teardrops out of the matcha dough. These are his ears. Then I take a toothpick to pick off some of the black dough with the pointy end of the toothpick. If the eyes don't flatten, I use the flat side of the toothpick to make sure it's adhered. So cute. I make a bunch more than what you see here, but I had a wild migraine come on, so I took a break and came back to this. I love that each face looks slightly different than the others. And that's just the awesome thing about homemade cooking and bakes. They each have so much character. Time to cook. So I boil water and bring it down to medium. Toss gently into the water. They need to be pulled and placed one at a time into the water. Super cute face. It should take about 48 minutes or until they float. Hello! May the force be with you. When boba bubbles float, that means they're ready to be picked up. Drain and almost done. Chewy, delicious Baby Yoda boba. It's always so sad to see my cute food art going away when I eat it, but I recommend eating the boba the day that it's cooked. I experimented with saving these little guys, but they expand. It's time to serve with your favorite tea. I portion the boba into a couple of glasses. This is just half the boba because the recipe makes about 100 bobas. Yay! Yum! Cute, but not too cute to eat. What boba should happen next? These boba are super chewy and delicious. Oh no. Just in time for May the 4th be with you. I love Star Wars. We did it! Let's celebrate by drinking and eating the boba. So cute is this. It fits perfectly in the straw. Not bad, right? I still don't think I should open a boba shop. Hit that bell notification to get the latest videos. Helps me make more videos you'll love. Coming up is a dessert recipe playlist with more tasty videos. Thanks for watching. Bam! That's a wrap. See ya soon! Really appreciate you joining me.